Ocean plastic pollution has reached crisis levels. In cities around the world, waste is leaking into the environment, impacting cities, seas, and the health of our communities. By improving how waste is managed, we can begin to create a cleaner environment for generations to come. Your work as a waste collector is invaluable to the waste system. As frontline workers, you collect, sort, clean, and enable waste to be recycled, keeping our communities clean and healthy, and preventing waste from polluting the ocean and the environment. You are environmental and community heroes. As you perform this work, your health and safety is important. In your work, you may be exposed to hazardous chemicals and dangerous waste that can threaten your safety and health. And wearing everyday clothing and working without protective gear can be dangerous. This is because when you're doing your work, you will likely encounter different kinds of waste. Some waste are considered hazardous, like insecticides, batteries, broken bulbs with mercury, broken glass, tins, paint containers, and electronic appliances. Many of these can contain harmful chemicals that may be dangerous to you and the environment. Careful handling of such items is important. With proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, you can protect yourself from these hazardous waste and other injuries. Getting used to wearing a PPE can help you prevent getting cuts and wounds from sharp objects, burns, chemical poisoning, breathing problems, infectious diseases, and unforeseeable accidents. A set of basic PPE includes a helmet to protect your head from falling debris, a pair of goggles to protect your eyes from sharp objects, harmful chemicals, and ultraviolet rays of the sun, a jacket for your visibility, a pair of gloves to protect your hands from injury, masks to protect you from inhaling harmful fumes and minimize the odor of waste, boots with hard soles to protect your feet from sharp objects and injury, and a rain jacket for rainy weather. Together, we can create safe, clean, sustainable cities. Thank you for all that you do to care for our environment. Your safety is so important. Please remember to always wear your PPE on the job.